Hello everyone, is the market crashing? Are you looking for some assurance and positive vibes? If so, this is the video for you. Today I'm going to share my views on how to deal with the recent market correction and its extreme volatility. But before I lose viewership in the next 10 seconds, and if there is only one thing for you to take away from this video, that is, we all should feel fortunate that we are only worrying about our stocks and portfolios going down, while people in the affected countries as a result of Russia and Ukraine conflicts are worrying about when will a bomb fall on them. Your portfolio will bounce back. Even if it doesn't, your money can still be earned back, but lives that are lost will never come back. So let's pray for world peace. Spread love and not hate. Anyway, as usual, before I dive into the details, hope you can help with the YouTube algorithm by liking this video. Your little support means a lot to me. The last few weeks and months have been very bumpy for the stock market. Russia-Ukraine tension, inflation soared to a 40-year high in the US, Fed Reserve plans to raise interest rate, supply chain issue, ongoing pandemic, etc. All these are fueling the market volatility. So is it time to panic? No, it's not the time. If there was any better moment to panic, it was in December and January period, where the market started its downward trend. If you had panicked back then, you could have and would have sold some stocks to lock in some profits. But if you haven't, then I regret to inform you that you have missed the boat. It's too late. And since you have missed the opportunity to panic, so why not tell yourself this? It's already too late. So just embrace the fact that the market is going down now. Key message here is, even if the market does crash, you don't lose any money unless you sell. So manage your emotions, stay calm, don't panic, don't sell. Furthermore, there is no point selling when you can't take profits. And worse, if you are selling for a loss. I mean, after selling, what you gonna do with the money? Keep it under your bed? Or in the bank? So why not leave it as it is, let the brokerage firm keep it for you? Let me share a good news with you. History has shown that market will recover after every sharp drop, correction or crash. Look at this chart. There are so many reasons to sell over the years, but each event always followed by an uptrend. It could take months or years for it to fully recover. By simply waiting it out, your portfolio should eventually rebound. And if the recent extreme volatility is made worse by the ongoing war or geopolitical issue, here's another good news. Downtrends that were caused by geopolitics are usually temporary, and it will go up most of the times as seen from this chart. So just do nothing to your portfolio if you are scared. Don't need to sell, don't need to top up money to buy the dip. Just don't do anything. Go work, slog away and work like a dog. Gossip about your colleagues, go exercise, meet up with your friends and families. Just carry on with your life. Like I said, you have missed the chance to panic, so no point panicking at this moment. But what if you really want to do something? Okay, once your emotions are under control, here's what you can consider doing, and that is buy the effing dip. This period is a rare opportunity for you to buy into fear. Look at the investor sentiment. Everyone is fearful. People are selling and keep selling. But guess what? The market will eventually has to find its bottom. Yes, the market could go lower from here, with federal meeting coming up, potential hike in interest rate, full-blown war, etc. But no one can time the absolute bottom. And as I am recording this video, I believe the bottom is near, especially when investor sentiment is so negative now, everyone is so fearful. I mean, we all heard about these two famous quotes, right? Be greedy when others are fearful, and buy when there's blood in the streets. So the best thing to do now is to source for bargains. Find good stocks that are beaten down during this period. Look for companies that have solid underlying fundamentals, such as strong financials, competitive advantage in their industry, etc. You can check out my other video on how I select my stocks, which I have linked it at the top right hand corner. And if you are already invested in fundamentally strong stocks, you shouldn't be too worried as they are more likely to survive periods of volatility, for example Apple or Microsoft. In fact, this is the time to be an opportunist. Seize the opportunity to increase your position at discounted prices. You know, the funny thing is that we love sales and discounts when we shop for other stuff like clothes, electronic gadgets, consumer goods, etc. But when stocks are going on massive discounts, we are so afraid to buy them. Then, when they are expensive, we love it. I am very puzzled. Case in point, when Tesla stock was at $1,000 plus, everyone was rushing to buy it and eventually pushed the price to $1,200. Investors who did not hop onto the boat will say things like how they wish they have gotten it when it was below $1,000 or at $800. So Tesla be like, your wish is my command, and went on a free fall to $700 range and even touched the $600 range at one point. But what happened to these investors? They got scared and started to wait again for a perfect price or time to enter. Then very soon Tesla will go back to $1,000 again, and this cycle will repeat. Anyway, as shared, you can't time the extreme bottom, so I thought from early March or mid-March onwards, you can consider DCA into your favorite stocks. But disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. Who knows, that could be really a crash that brings the market further down. Also, what if your favorite stocks are like AMC, Grab or Alibaba? If that's the case, I'm not sure if it's a good idea to DCA further. All in all, please do your due diligence and invest safely in this choppy market. And remember this, smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. Hope you can ride out this choppy market safely. Finally, be grateful that it is only your stocks and money at stake now and not your life. So once again, let's pray for Ukraine and Russia too, and pray for world peace. Alright, that's all for this video. Are you coping well with this market correction? Let me know in the comments section below. Lastly, thanks for watching my video. Hope you can like, share and subscribe to my channel to show a little support. Thank you.